Hi there traders and future traders, welcome back to FX GK. Today we're going to discuss a topic that might be causing you some sleepless nights: the stress of placing a trade. Well, explore 5 compelling reasons why you need to stop stressing about it. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's dive into why you should ease that trading anxiety. Let's kick it off with the reason number 1. Overthinking leads to missed opportunities. One of the biggest pitfalls of overthinking a trade is that it often leads to missed opportunities. While you're analyzing and reanalyzing, the market is constantly moving. Remember that not every trade will be perfect, and waiting for the perfect setup can cause you to miss out on profitable trades. Reason number 2. Learning through actions. Placing a trade, whether it's a winner or loser, it's a valuable learning experience. It provides real-world feedback on your trading strategies and analysis. You learn more from your trades than from sitting on the sidelines. So embrace the learning process and don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Here comes reason number 3. Risk management. The stress of trading often stems from the fear of losing money. However, effective risk management can significantly reduce your potential losses. By setting stop loss orders and managing your position size, you can limit the impact of a losing trade. This way, trading becomes less about stress and more about calculated risk. Now let's discuss the reason number 4. Remember that no trade is irreversible. In forex, you have the flexibility to close a trade at any time. If you realize that a trade isn't going as planned, you can exit and reseize the situation. This flexibility allows you to adapt to change market conditions and manage your risk effectively. And finally, reason number 5. Trust your analyst and strategy. Trust in the analyst and trading strategy you've developed. Stress often rises when traders second-guess themselves. If you've done your homework and have a well-defined trading plan, have confidence in your decisions, avoid constantly questioning your analyst, as this can lead to impulse and counterproductive actions. So there you have it, the 5 compelling reasons why you need to stop stressing about placing a trade. Trading can be challenging, but it also can be incredibly rewarding when approaching it with the right mindset. Remember that overthinking and excessive stress can hinder your process as a trader. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more trading related content. And as always, take a deep breath, trust your analyst and embrace the learning journey.